So up in here, there's these little sliders. And I think ours are worn out, but it might be completely past that. So we'll take it apart and check it out. Got this replacement kit here called a dryer bearing kit. Catch it. Should only have to replace these little sliders right here, which run right here in these slots. But I'm pretty sure ours has eaten through this section, so we'll take it apart. Let's see. It's pretty easy. There's just these two screws here to start, and then the whole front comes off. Unplug it first. It's fun to do with the phone in your hand. Okay, once those two are off, this top slides up. Just like that. There's your drum in there. Okay. Once that's off, you've got a screw here and a screw right there. This whole front piece just slides off, and here's your bearing, what they call the bearing, right here. And ours is, in fact, worn away. Nothing left. Actually, there's one left right here. So these are the little replacement sliders that you could put in here if you had the base left, but we don't, so we're gonna replace this whole piece. Make sure they're the same first. Yep. Looks good. Let's take this bulb out. I'll figure out how this works before I break it. Okay, to get the old one off, you just slowly pry these tabs out. It just lifts right out. Take out the little tab for the light. There's our plastic. Let me suckle that up real quick. Clean all this up and then put it back together. Okay, so here's the instructions. The white outer slides are used as guides, and the two white center top slides are used to support the weight of the drum. And these are the top. White goes on top. These gray ones go on the side over here. Can't really do it one-handed, but you get the idea. Just like that. And the drum actually rests on there. It's pretty wild. That's all that holds that up. So get the rest in. Okay, there are the guides on there. That's just slides back in place here. Okay, when this is going back in, There's a little channel there in the front of the dryer that goes inside this lip right here. These slide down in there. You can kind of see the old witness mark there. Slides down in, and you just push the rest up. Okay, that's it. All back in place. One thing to note is just make sure none of your wires are pinched back here. It does get hot, vibrates, so probably best to make sure everything's in order there. This kit does come with another belt and a felt for around the door here, but ours is still in good shape, so we'll just keep those as spares. Okay, let's come back together. I'll do this with one hand. Lift the drum up, do the sliders, and then get your 2 screws in here, and should be good. Sounds good. Here's the top. There's little tabs back there that need to be lined up. Two-hand job. Should be it. Plug it back in. See what it does. Nice and smooth. Sounds good. That's it. Fixed.